Joe Zikas from YoChicago.com. I'm at a great Lincoln Park location this morning with Nicholas Apostle from Coldwell Bankers Apostle Group.
This is a wonderful townhome we've just listed at the Clusters on Vine, which Vine Street is a little tucked away street that not many people know about. It's a block to the west of Larrabee, and it's one-way southbound, so the only access is off of Willow. And because of that, it makes it a really quiet, private street. The clusters were built end of the 70s, early 80s, and it's a set of 6 courtyards with fee simple townhomes surrounding them, all landscaped. And then there's 3 sets of driveways, each with garages for each unit. And we're going to show you 1623 Vine today. The current owner of this house actually first moved in as a rental with roommates. And the floor plan was a perfect design for her and her 2 roommates. When she later on, when the opportunity came along to purchase the place from the landlord, she did, and then she got married and had kids here. Over the years, they've made some vast improvements to the place. This used to be closed off as a kitchen with a separate dining room, and they opened it up and did all new cabinetry, new granite countertops, new stainless steel appliances, new windows, new hardwood floors. Almost every surface in this house has been upgraded. The floor plans in these townhomes are really smart. The room sizes that were created, very, very large, and the central, more mechanicals are confined to the center. So you really get these wide open spaces that are extremely livable. It lives much larger than its actual size. Every single one of these townhomes was built with a large backyard, private to each unit. They're fee simple, so it's your landscaping, you can do what you want with it. These owners have chosen to build a big brand new deck here. It's wonderful space right off of the living room and easy access. Here we are in the 3rd bedroom, just 1 flight up from the main floor. And it's a huge room. You can see how 2 kids or 2 roommates could easily live in here. It has large, fully organized closets and a bath right off the side on the hall. You can see why this was so attractive to my client when she was just here with 3 roommates. 4 young ladies are able to live here, each with their own separate space, each in their own large bedroom. Every bedroom has a nice window with light and a view, and there's a bath just a short distance away from each one. The hall bath here, like the other, has been completely redone and is in beautiful condition. The top floor penthouse suite here is the master bedroom. It has a beautifully refinished bathroom, great light both from the skylight at the top of the stairs and through the huge windows that face the backyard. 2 closets, his and hers, another huge room in a beautiful home. In addition to the 3 huge bedrooms upstairs, you have this playroom on the lower level. Adjacent to it, a full-size utility laundry room, something you rarely see in a townhome. Here we are, 1623 Vine. It is the kind of townhome that defies expectation. For the amount of size that the rooms have, the level of finish that the current owners have put into here, and its fantastic location right in the heart of Lincoln Park, right off of North Avenue, in the Lincoln School District, and among a community of neighbors that really care about this block. It's a beautiful place to come see. Might just be your next new home.